everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jessica and welcome to today's video. Today's video, it's a beginning friendly makeup. Yeah, just simple ease makeup I'm going to do. Okay, before I get started, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe, and also turn on the notification close to the subscribe button, and also like, share, comment down below. I know I'm playing. Alright, let's just jump into it. So first we're gonna use this to combat our brows. This makeup is very easy. One of these, you can also use it, but if you don't have one of these, there's no need for you to stress yourself. The pencil also works, but I like to really define my brows. You also need to have concealer. It's not compulsory you buy the most expensive one. Me, I use any one I see. And you need to get the right shade. Like I use this for my upper brows. Use this MAC. It's a bit lighter. You can see the difference. So it's a bit lighter. I use this for under here. But it's not compulsory you get the MAC. You can get any other product, but a lighter one, because your under eye, this place. I am not an expert, but with my little experience, because I know my makeup is nice. I don't know if people still do this, but I do it. It's not compulsory you get this kind of brush, but any brush just to blend everything out. If you have a damping sponge, you can use that also. And I also do this too. And make sure everything is blended very well. Primer. Me, I'm using Kiss Beauty primer. This does to prime my face. I think I got this for 1,500. Yeah. It's not everything, every product I use that is, because I have oily face, I also go with powder. But if you don't have an oily face, you can just apply your foundation immediately. But because I have an oily face, I have to go with powder so that I don't break out later. Now I'm going to be using my MAC foundation. You can use anyone. I have MAC, I also use Fit Me, and I also use Mary Kay. So depending on my mood, but today I decided to use MAC. The powder I used on my face was Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. So you need to get a damping brush, like you wet it under inside water. I'm going to apply. I'm also using MAC concealer, just a little, because this is a very light makeup. I'm going to put any NARS setting powder. To use this brush, I'm going to dry contour. This brush, and I'll take my powder. So this powder is also from MAC, just to make my eyes a bit brighter. Take my highlight, use eyeliner. I'm going to use I remember this, my mom to come, oh my god, give me my eye pencil. The mascara, I'm using classic mascara. That's what it looks like. So Pro Lengthening and Volume Mascara. And you leave it to dry. So when it's a bit tacky, and make sure it's a bit dry before you apply it on your eye. Apply our powder, not setting powder. My lips with this brown pencil. going to use this lip gloss. It's also from Classic. Using this one. Anytime I use this gloss, it's like candy, like me licking sweet. It smells so good. I am classy. Okay. This. I like my face. Just add a bit of glue. I'll set my face with Zaron products. Finishing. So. So guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, I was not really, for me, I was not really feeling my eyes. I needed something more dramatic, so that's why I used this shade, this one. For me, it was too simple, but if you like simple look, just continue the ways I just did it, and there's no need to be putting this in a teardrop color. Yes, and if you're also like me, hey, and you don't want your nude, you can always use any color, but I think red is every woman's favorite. This red I have here is also from MAC, and it's a shade 4. Well, right now I'm liking this look. Alright guys, so please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, just click on that subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell close to the subscribe button, yeah, and also like, share, comment down below. What do you think of the look? And shout out to all my new subscribers. Hey, welcome. And to my next video, guys, I love you guys so much. All right, bye.